In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background in GoToMeeting. Whether you want to keep your home office setup private or simply prefer a more professional look during your virtual meetings, blurring your background can make a significant difference. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring that you can easily follow along and achieve that polished appearance for your next video call. To get started, head over to your GoToMeeting dashboard. If you haven't already, you'll need to either create a new meeting or start an existing one, as the option to blur the background becomes available during the meeting setup stage. For this demonstration, we'll click on Start Meeting. As the meeting initializes, keep your eyes on the camera preview option that appears on your screen. This is where you'll find the settings to adjust your background. Once you are in the camera preview, you'll want to look for an option labeled Backgrounds. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of background settings that you can use to customize your video call environment. This is where the magic happens. When you enter the Backgrounds menu, you will see a few different options available. The first option you'll encounter is the virtual background, which includes the blur feature. Now, within the virtual background settings, you will find the blur option. This is a simple yet powerful feature that, when activated, subtly blurs everything in the background while keeping you in focus. This is perfect for maintaining a clear professional presence on your screen. Besides the blur effect, you'll also see options for setting custom backgrounds and selecting from the available default backdrops. These additional choices allow you to further personalize your video call environment, whether you want a static image or another type of visual setting. Once you've selected the blur effect or any background of your choice, take a moment to review how it looks in your camera preview. This quick check ensures everything appears as you'd like it before your meeting begins. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to blur your background in GoToMeeting. Whether you're joining a business meeting or catching up with friends, this handy feature helps you put your best foot forward in any virtual setting. Remember that these options are there to provide flexibility and creativity, so feel free to explore them and see what works best for you and your unique needs. Using a blurred or custom background can make your video calls feel more engaging and professional, helping you make the most out of your online meetings. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your virtual meeting experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.